There is a person is there named with Austin. One fine day, Austin told to his wife, saying, for the next 4 years, it's a very crucial, very important in my life. So I'm going to build the business with the full care, with the full care I require to take. I require to take the life with the full care. That thing must be required. Okay, that's fine. So I won't come for the dinner. I will do dinner outside only. Late night, I will come to the house. And then early morning only, I will come from the house. Okay, so that I may miss, I may not in a position to spend the time with the family because that business I'm going to build with full care. Once we got succeeded, just in a matter of 4 years span, then there is no doka for our lives. We are not required to worry about money. We are not required to worry about okay, anything. We can enjoy rest of the life like anything. This is the statement Austin told to his family. Then some of his friend, just he's doing that. Some of his friend asked, Rayans, you are not going to the home. You are spending your full time here only. You are not giving the time for your family. You are not thinking about your family and kids like your kids and your wife like you are thinking like one friend asked. Then automatically this person told, Austin told, all these things whatever I'm doing, all the things whatever I'm doing for my family's sake only, for my wife, for my kids' sake only, I'm doing all these things. Okay, I'm sacrificing. Even I have feeling that I got to spend with them, but I'm sacrificing all these things for family purpose only. Like this is the statement Austin told. Then immediately his friend asked only one question. Is they asked this like observe that. Is they asked this one like his friend asked the question. His friend then automatically they never asked. They never asked about this. Just is feeling that I'm doing all these things for them. That is his feeling. But wife or kids are always going to expect his presence, his care, not only his money, not only his business. How many people are going to accept this statement, Dosto? How many people are going to accept my statement? Are you in the position to understand my point? He's full busy morning to evening, full busy morning to evening. He's not in a position to spend few minutes also with his family. He's telling, Arey, why this much busy? Why this much hard work? Why this much like I'm sacrificing all these things just for my kids' sake, just my family's sake, like this person told. Whether they asked all these things, they required your presence. They require your care. They require your time. They won't require only your money. Okay, remember this. They won't require only your money. They require your care. They require your love. They require your presence. Okay, like that question. His friend asked the question whether really they required this. They asked these things by sacrificing all the remaining. That is not success. Remember this one. That question, what his friend asked, whether they asked, simple answer is no. Simple answer is no. They didn't ask her. They want your presence. They want your care. They want your love. Yes, you are running towards money. You are running towards work. You are running towards business like now. Here also, this pillar is also very, very important. The life means all the things must be required, man. Just not only just only for work, only for money is meaningless. Remember.